Continue. Very good. Okay, today cap have requesting from YouTube to make breakfast. ECAP, wake up crack of noon, not eat breakfast. ECAP's bang girl all night and drink vodka, so I have to have brunch. ECAP eat brunch, and first thing, ECAP eating yogurt is good for poo-poo and making for my constitution. Okay, he can finish yogurt. He kept putting 1 cup vodka and make 4 canned soup. Open. And put canned soup into vodka. Damn you. Try to put in garbage. Now I want to go. Garbage full. Okay, clean can. And put can in recycle. And washing can opener. Okay, next thing. You kept get vodka ready for make coffee. You kept have 2 teaspoon ground coffee. You kept ground own coffee. And he caps mixed coffee. I'll forget, have spoon inside. Okay. Mixing with fork, plastic, this way. Get all coffee. You cap have fork, this one, break off, tooth. I don't know where to go. Maybe in bottom drain for sink. I think ECAP have 1 billion fork pieces in bottom drain. Okay. Anyway, mixing and putting more vodka. Okay. Make for 1 cup coffee and putting for French pressing. Ready to go, and coffee for later. Also, ECAP putting for coffee is tip number 2. Put 1/4 teaspoon chocolate. And putting for 1 teaspoon brown sugar and putting little bit cream. Okay, coffee ready for go. Also, ECAP have 1 apple. ECAP like green old bitch Smith apples is good. Okay, also he kept cutting for bagel. This bagel is not fresh, and putting toaster, and he kept show what else for make this one for soup. He kept show you what else putting for soup, vodka and soup, and also putting little bit for turmeric Turmeric is good for cure. It's not cure everything, but it's good for many things. Also, you kept putting tiny bit cayenne pepper, and also you kept putting for ground pepper. Okay, you can put 5 or 6 grind. Also, you can putting garlic powder or garlic salting, and also you kept putting 1 drop halapeno. Okay, it's ready. Turning on. You kept eat apple, and bagel is ready for toasting. Mixing and ready to go. You kept show. Try to reminding you now, subscribing for YouTube and ring the bell. Listen for my BB. She say for get notification, ring goddamn bell. Okay, you got like to have a little bit more brown. Put back for a few more minutes. I need apple. Pressing your French. Okay. Now you can take bacon, not bacon, bagel. You kept putting peanut butter for bagel, and it's hot. The peanut butter is melting. It's very good to spread, very easy for spreading, like Corona, and spreading very good and easy like your mama leg. Okay, peanut butter, finish. And for number 2 bagel, the caps put first thing butter. You kept use happy butter from Moo cow. Okay, after butter, you caps put cure number 2. Cinnamon. You caps put cinnamon. And a little bit more brown sugar. With brown sugar. And souping almost ready for boil. And apple finished ready. Okay, boil soup. Okay, you got finished apple and soup ready for eating, and bagel ready for eating. You kept like brown toast. You kept not racist. Eat brown toast, eat brown sugar, pour coffee. Mix a little bit. I'm ready for drink. This is what ECAP have for brunch every day.
Not forget, ring a bell.